Hello, welcome back my YouTube PvP friends. So here we are again with another KVM 5v5 video. Fresh from the costume event. As you can see, we're all in the same costume. But I forgot about the name.
95.
So without further ado, let's do this. Uniform gaming. It reminds me of the game called Run Online, when all of you are in school uniform. Let's go. Let's hunt some squishy targets. So our team is composed of double wizard and a single knight, priest, that is Phil Health. Shout out Dwight Villarta, Mr. Phil Health. Let's go. So in this build, I used Sonic Blow because of my excess skill stats. I made it in auto cast because I am trying to create a combo build that is suitable for any situation, not just for execute. Together with the skill called brute attack. I don't know if you know that, but it's a skill that when you use it, it slows down the target for about 40% movement speed. So everyone knows when an assassin appears next to you, you either run or you die, or you fight and you win. That's all the choices you have. So I really need the slow for them to eliminate the run option. So guys, as you've noticed, I am currently on a lagging state because our internet connection here in the Philippines are fucked up by the typhoon or the bagyo, as we call it here. It is what it is, so I have to deal with it, or else I will have no guild contribution.
Pabante lang yaw nilang night, magdoron na ako. Na. Ay, sunod na. Okay, ano na ito.
Sing pa rin eh.
LOL. Frozen while rolling. You see that stuttering motion? That is LAG, my friends. So guys, in a double wizard team, we made up the strategy based on experience to utilize the firewall. That is very useful. So we are in semi-turtle mode. That's why I am not advancing yet. The technique is when the chaos starts, then it's your cue to attack backdoor. Oh, the hunter also yummy. Wait for me. Come on, let's go. Boom.
Please.
55 ang priest.
Please,
Kanang
So, getting cocky again. Let's go. Nice falcons you got there, guys. Haha. Priest first. Siyempre, priority. Let's go, DPS. If the priest runs too far, then change target to the hunter. Siyempre, favorite. Oh, napaisa oh. Let's go, hunter.
Matira ka sa priest. Buwag. Saan? Saan ka lang, priest? Airport.
Shout out Kat Buri, Jillian Paler, who made our Tanduay logo. Shout out sa Tanduay, baka naman sponsor naman dyan. So guys, huli talaga ako lumalabas na sa panahon ngayon kasi ako inuuna eh. Yun, may hunter oh, busy siya oh. Patay ka ngayon. Yes!
Ngayon ilang priest?
Why won't you die? Yes, patay na. So back again to the main target, the priest. Kasi baka i-reso na naman niya yung hunter eh. There's another hunter at my back. Yee! People. My priest said that he got my back on killing those key targets. Boom! Let's go! My Imba wizard friend is always on top. Actually, this team is our second team. We built this on our own, the double wizard team. So guys, that is all for today. See you again soon, and ROX, let's go!